First off, I would like to say welcome to all the employees here that are participating now in our Backdoor Grill and Eats. Customer relationship is an integral part of our system. With a customer relationship management system, we'll be able to bring our company and the customers together through an integration software system for support, sales, and marketing. CMR systems. What are they and why? A CMR system is much like an operating system for an ERP. But in this case, we are going to focus largely on our customer interactions, the sales, the support, the marketing value. We need to highlight individual things within the CRM system that we can utilize that will be best for us. A CMR system can help us handle complaints and a system awareness. It can help with our employee communication. It can help with our sales monitoring in real time, and it can help with our securing customer personal data, because we have to keep that data safe. And predictive analytics, the trends. We should start by identifying our faults in our current system. We are still in the Stone Age when it comes to our technological advances here at Backdoor Grill and Eats. Paper, personal data information, miscommunication between drivers, cooks, and orders receivers. The high and low demands, we're in the dark, it seems. What we need to do is we need to look at our customer complaints, our customer compliments, and we need to find a system that's going to work for us, that's going to help us cater to our clientele. What we need to consider is what CRM would best suit this company, which one would best fit us. What we want to consider is cost, accessibility, ease of integration, and popularity. As silly as it sounds, popularity being a thing, it will help us indicate to what service has been continuously providing good deals and good service to the other entrepreneurs in our area. My proposal to you all is that we focus on just one at this current moment in time, so we can get the idea of what a CRM, really means to us. Pipedrive has a lot of features that I have noticed could be very accessible to us. Customizability, user satisfaction, and risk-free trial, cloud network, and updated frequently to make sure it meets our needs. With a new CMR, we'll be able to seamlessly integrate into a more user-friendly and customer-centered system. It will help us better cater to the customers that are giving us purpose, not only for our work, but for our livelihoods and for a new goal and idea set in mind. Thank you all, and I hope you consider my proposal.